Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends, a warm good morning to all. Today, we are gathered here to celebrate World AIDS Day. Every year, December 1st is observed as World AIDS Day since 1988. World AIDS Day is an international day observed in order to raise awareness and to unite people worldwide in the fight against the global health issue of AIDS pandemic. It is also the day to remember those who have died of the disease. HIV remains a major public health issue that affects millions of people all over the world. Although the world has made significant progress in recent decades, important global targets were not met. Division, disparity, and disregard for human rights are among the failures that allowed HIV to become and remain a global health crisis. Do you know what is AIDS? AIDS means acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. It is a life-threatening condition caused by the human immunodeficiency virus. The HIV virus attacks the immune system of the patient and reduces the body's resistance to other diseases. With proper care and medicine, HIV-positive people can continue to live a healthy life without it reaching the final stage. The theme of World AIDS Day 2021 is End Inequalities, End AIDS. This theme is a bold new approach to the Global AIDS Strategy 2021 to 2026. This strategy aims to reduce the inequality that drive the AIDS epidemic and prioritize people who are not yet accessing life-saving HIV services. I think the wisest thing at this point is prevention is better than cure. So let's see how AIDS is transmitted and how can we prevent it. It is transmitted mainly through 4 means. First, use of contaminated syringe. It usually happens when a syringe is shared. Always using a disposable syringe is the best solution for this. Secondly, unprotected sexual intercourse. To prevent AIDS, use condom during sex. Third, during blood transfusion. In case of blood transfusion, make sure that the donor is tested and negative for HIV. Fourth, from an infected mother to a child during pregnancy, birth, or through breastfeeding. A treatment with a combination of HIV medicines can prevent transmission of HIV to the baby. Common public have a lot of misunderstanding and stigma regarding AIDS and AIDS patients. Stigma and discrimination refers to prejudice, negative attitude, and abuses directed to people living with AIDS. It must be understood that AIDS never get transmitted through shaking hands, hugging, playing, or working together. HIV patients need not be isolated. Instead, they deserve care and respect to live a good life. It is important to fight the stigma around AIDS and focus on providing care and support for those who are already living with the disease. World AIDS Day is important because it reminds the public and government that there is still a vital need to increase awareness, fight prejudice, and improve education. Let us hope for a world devoid of AIDS as soon as possible. Thank you.